Constraints when you have military activities, so we are building effort under them for governmental, European governmental, I would say, area. The most important, from my perspective, I would say, personal perspective, to think about how to bring into this digitalization step the end-to-end security solution. Okay, because publishing, I would say, or letting a customer accessing such document, okay, we must make sure that on the I would say on the desktop, whatever the desktop will be, to have a proper level of security, and this is depending on your activities, the category of the data.